Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kardashian Adventures. And for today, nandito na kami sa Beijing, China. And we're staying here at Mercure Anzhen Olympic Center. So, nandito kami sa 5th floor for our first room, which is a king-size bed. So, pasok tayo for our quick room tour. So, upon entering guys, ito yung una nyong makikita. So, unang nyong makikita is the walk-in closet. Medyo magulo na kasi nandito na yung mga gamit namin. But tingnan nyo naman ang lawak niya, di ba? Madami siyang malalagay na luggage. Tapos pwede kayong mag-hang dito ng mga clothes nyo. Dito na din makikita yung bathrobe. And also, meron siya ditong full body mirror para pagkabihis nyo makita nyo yung OOTD nyo. So, when you enter here naman sa my bedroom area, makikita nyo dito yung mga coffee and tea making facility nila. Ayan o, meron silang electric kettle, meron silang drip coffee dito, and then ito yung mga tea and bottled water. Tingnan nyo, ang cute ng kanilang mug. Dito naman sa ilalim is the mini fridge. Meron na siyang welcome amenities. Yung mga drinks is free and together with the sweets. And our room has a big TV. Although hindi ko pa sure kung paano siya nag-work, hindi pa namin siya na-try. But ayan, malaki yung TV nila. Tapos dito sa side na to is the working desk. Ayan, pwede ka dito mag-laptop, mag-work if you have work to do. Or kung gusto mo na mag-games. Andito din yung kanilang phone para makakontakt sa reception. And this room comes with a king-size bed. Ayan, ang laki ng bed. And malambot yung kama ng Mercure. Dito naman sa bedside table, so magulo na kasi. Sa bedside table, nandito yung mga controls. Ayan o, ng mga lights. Tapos may mga saksakan na din dyan. Dito naman sa side na to, meron silang sofa. Tapos, meron ding mini table. Pwede kayo mag-coffee. Or kung gusto nyo kumain inside the room, pwede dito. Dito naman sa kabilang side na bedside table, meron ditong controls. Ayan, may maliit na tablet. Although, puro Chinese kasi siya, wala siyang English option. But, those are the controls on the lights sa room. At saka yung iba pang mga functions dito sa room. Makokontrol nyo yung TV, yung curtain, and lights. And this is the toilet and bath, guys. Masayang-masaya sila dito sa toilet na to. Medyo magulo na kasi nagmamadali kami kanina nung maligo. So, ayan, ito yung sink. Magulo na. But they have provided na yung hand wash, saka yung body lotion. Ito yung sink area, and meron vanity mirror dito. Tapos, provided na lahat ng mga towels na kailangan ninyo. And over here, ito yung pinaka nakaka-happy dito, is the automatic toilet. Ayan o. May bidet siya, guys. Kasi walang bidet yung mga na-stayan namin sa Shanghai. So, ito, merong bidet. Ayan. Japanese toilet siya dito. So, maganda. And then, eto na yung shower area. Sa shower area, may hot and cold water, syempre. Tapos, lahat ng toiletries din, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, meron na sila. Good morning, guys! Andito pa rin kami sa Beijing, dito sa Mercure Hotel. So, papunta naman kami ngayon sa breakfast para i-try ang kanilang breakfast dito sa hotel. So, yung breakfast nila is located at the 9th floor. Ang start is 7 a.m. until 10 a.m. So, it's currently past 7 na para makapag-breakfast na kami. Nagkahiwalay kami ng room ng mga bata. Isang room ng mga bata ay sa 8th floor. Kami is sa 5th floor. Kaya doon na kami magkikita sa breakfast location. Ito yung 9th floor. Doon yung breakfast. Hintayin lang namin yung mga bata dito. Ito yung laundry area nila dito. Maganda, Daddy. Matutuyo ata. Yeah. Laundry area. Wala atang bayad, di. And meron din sila dito ang steamer. Ayan. Ay, may gym din sila dito. Ito yung gym area. Ayan. So guys, we already checked out from Mercure Anzhen Olympic Center in Beijing. So from there, we head to the Beijing South Railway para sa bullet train or for the high-speed train na sinakyan namin to Shanghai. Just to give you a summary about our stay dun sa Mercure Anzhen Olympic Center. Well, maganda yung stay namin doon kasi spacious yung mga rooms nila, and yun lang yung hotel na nisiyan namin dito sa China na merong bidet. So it's a good thing. And then meron din siyang malapit na train station. I think mga 500 to 600 meters away yung Anzhen Kiao na train station. Nagpapunta yun. Actually may tatlong transfer, but mas malapit siya kaysa dun sa line 12 na una naming binabaan. There are also bus stops na malapit doon, walking distance, and also mga restaurants, but mostly are Chinese restaurants yung mga nakapaligid sa kanya. And medyo malayo siya sa city center, yung mga Forbidden City and other places that you'll visit in Beijing. But the price is okay naman kasi dalawa yung room na kinuha namin less than 10,000 pesos for 4 adults for overnight. And then, free breakfast na din yun. When it comes to the breakfast, medyo konti yung choices and mostly are Chinese food din, yung mga food choices dun sa hotel na yon. They also have free tea sa lobby. Kaya lang, ang napansin ko lang sa hotels ng Accor dito sa China, they don't have lounge. Even if it's Mercure, sa ibang country kasi, pagka Mercure Hotel, meron na agad siyang lounge. Dito wala. 2 Mercure yung stay namin. Wala silang lounge. So, ayun, in terms of the staffs naman in Mercure Anzhen, hindi din sila marunong mag-English, but nakakaintindi sila kahit papano. So, it's easier to communicate there compared dun sa isang Mercure sa Hongqiao. And we were able to check in early. Dumating kami around 12 o'clock. Before, 11:30 pala. Mga 11:30 kami dumating ng morning. And we were able to check in already. And then, we are also provided late check-out. So, 2 p.m. pa kami nag-check out sa rooms namin. So, may ganda din yung mga amenities ng Mercure Anzhen. Meron silang laundry and dryer. Walang bayad. You can use it free. Tapos meron na din available doon ng mga laundry detergent. Tapos they also have the gym. Pwede nyo din siyang gamitin for free. Kaya lang we don't have enough time para maglaba. Kaya we weren't able to use the laundry anymore. So, overall guys, maganda naman yung stay namin sa Mercure Anzhen. And I think 9 out of 10 yung pwede naming i-rate dito sa hotel na to. 9 kasi maganda talaga yung facilities, maganda yung room, okay naman yung mga staff, we never had problems with them. But kulang lang kasi masyado pa ding malayo sa mga spots na dapat mong puntahan. And also, wala siya lang mga, I'm not sure, siguro sa lahat naman, wala masyadong mga convenience stores, so wala ka mabilan if you want snacks, ganun, wala. Sa lahat naman na nastayan namin, walang ganun. So, yun. And we booked this hotel through my Accor Plus membership. But you can also book this hotel through Agoda and Klook. You can also use my discount code pagka magbubook kayo ng inyong hotel and accommodations through Agoda. Just use my code KURTAGODA. And if activities naman, you can use my code KURTAGODA. And sa Klook, you can still use my code KLOOKHEKEL. Kapag new users kayo, you can use it sa activities and anything that you want to book in Klook. But you're already an old user, you can only use it sa hotel bookings nyo for 5% off. And I also have my Get Your Guide code. That's KURTAGODA Adventures 5 for 5% discount for new users ng Get Your Guide. So, yun muna guys. Lahat naman yan is on the description box. So, don't forget to check on the description box for the links and the codes. And if you have any questions, you can also comment down below para ma-answer namin kayo. And that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And follow us on our social media accounts. This is Great Adventures, where adventure never ends. See you next adventure. Bye.